Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 8. Our today's topic is MCQ part 4. Dear students, in this part I will solve 10 MCQs. Okay dear students, let us see the questions. Question 31. X plus 1, x square minus 1 and x cube minus 1 are three algebraic expressions. What is the HCF of the three expressions? It means that three expressions are given. We have to do the HCF of these three expressions. Dear students, first one x plus 1, no need to factorize this one, this second and third expression we have to factorize. If we factorize the second expression, we will get x plus 1 and into x minus 1. As this is x square minus 1 means x square minus 1 square, it means m square minus b square. According to this formula we can factorize this, and this one we can factorize as x cube minus 1 means x cube minus 1 cube. It means that a cube minus b cube. So we can write the formula, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Here b as b means 1. So this will be the factorized form. Now see, first expression is x plus 1. This one first, this one second and this one third. Okay dear students, now see, HCF means we have to take only the common factor. Here, what is the common factor? X plus 1 is common in first two expression, but this is not common in the third expression. So we can say we will not get any common factor among these three among these three expressions. Okay dear students, so as there is no common factor, so only one will be the numerical coefficient that will be common for all the expressions. So our HCF of these three expressions is 1. So x minus 1 is not correct, x plus 1 is not correct, x plus 1 into x cube minus 1 is not correct. Our correct answer is 1. Okay dear students, now see question 32. Expressions a by b minus 1 and 1 minus a by b. Here three statements are given. First one, summation is 0. It means summation of these two expressions will be 0. We have to check this one is true or not. Quotient is minus 1, product is a minus b whole square by b square. Which one is correct? We have to check from these two expressions, a by b minus 1. If we do the sum, we have to give the addition sign here, 1 minus a by b. For the first one, now do the sum, b, a minus b plus b, here is b minus a. So if we add b, we will get here a minus b plus b minus a. Now this a positive, this a negative, this b negative, this b positive. It means that 0 by b. So we can write here 0. It means that the summation is 0. Summation is 0. So 1 is true. Now we have to check 2. What is 2? 2 is product. So we can write 2. 1 is true. 1 is true. 1 is true. Now 2 is product, a by b minus 1 into 1 minus a by b. So we can write here b, a minus b into here b, b minus a. Now product will be here, product is 3. Product is 3. Here we can write a minus b into b minus a by b square. So we can write here, this is b square by, here we can write this as minus a minus b. So, this will be minus a minus b whole square. Here is minus, but here is no minus given here. So, this one is not correct. We have to check 2. We have to check 2. What is 2? 2 means we have to find the quotient. We have to find the quotient. That is 2 is a by b minus 1. We have to divide this by 1 minus a by b. Okay. Now see, b a minus b, division b minus a. So, we can write here a minus b, division, we can write here, take minus is common, this should be a minus b and here is b. Now, we can write here a minus b by b, multiplication b minus a minus b. So, this one vanishes, b vanishes, as here is minus, so we can write here minus 1. So, product is minus 1, this one is correct, as here product is minus 1. So, we can say statement 1 is true, 2 is true, but 3 is not true. It means that 1 and 2 will be the answer. So, we can say A is our answer, as 1 and 2 is given in A. Now, 33, to find the value of this, we have to calculate here. We can calculate, that is by square plus y square, by square plus y square, by square plus y square divided by b square minus z square, division, and then bx square plus x square divided by b square minus z square. Okay. Now, you can take y square as common in the numerator, it will be b plus 1. Now, b square minus z square, division, here take x square as common, you will get b plus 1. So, b square minus z square remains same. Now, we have to change the sign, division into multiplication, here y square into b plus 1, b square minus z square. Now, give it multiplication. So, this denominator will go to the numerator, b square minus z square, x square is common, b plus 1 will be here. Now, b plus 1 matched, these two matches, these two match. Now, we can say only y square remain in the numerator and x square remain in the denominator. So, we can write y square by x square is our value, required value. Now, see, where is y square by x square? This is in the first one. Second one is x square by y square. No, that is y square by x square. Here is b. No, this one is not. Here is also b. So, this one is also not correct. So, we can say A is the correct answer. Now, we have to check B. Now we have to go to question 34. Now, we have to go to question 34. What is 34? Where is the point minus to 0 is situated? Dear students, to say a point in which quadrant, when you will show a point in graph, how can we show? Now, see, you will understand easily. This axis is known as horizontal axis and this is x o x dash, and this axis is known as vertical axis. This is denoted by y o y dash. Dear students, this o means origin, here 0 0. It means both of the value of x and y is 0 in this point, intersecting point O. Now, if we move to the right of O, this will be positive x, and if we move to the left of O, this will be negative x. If we move to the above of y, above of O along y axis, this will be positive y, and if we move to the below of O along y axis, this will be negative y. It means that this quadrant will be value of x is plus and y is plus. This is known as first quadrant. and this is known as second quadrant. Here the value of x is negative but y is positive, so minus plus will be this quadrant, and here x is negative and y is negative, so this is third quadrant and this is minus minus. Now this is fourth quadrant. Now we can say as x is positive here and y is negative, so we can say plus minus. So here see the point. What is the point here? The point is minus to 0. Minus to 0 means here first position is negative and second position is 0. So as first position is negative, we have to move 2 smallest square, 1, 2, suppose here is as y-axis is 0, you have to remember that in x-axis the value of y is 0 and in y-axis the value of x is 0. So we can say here is minus to 0, we have to move 2 steps from O to the left of O, 1, 2, and as y is 0 we have to stay here. So this should be the point. So we can say this is on the x-axis, this is on the x-axis. So see the options. Where is the point? Minus to 0. Minus to 0 is situated in the x-axis. On the x-axis we have shown. First quadrant no, second quadrant no. On the x-axis, yes, this one is correct. This one is correct. Now 35, for the graph of the equation 3x minus 2y equal to 6, first one, the point 20 lies on the x-axis. Point 20 lies on the x-axis. It means that we have to check this 20 as y is 0, so this lies on the x-axis, and you have seen that if the value of y is 0, all the points lie on the x-axis. Now second one, the point 0 minus 3 lie on the y-axis. Yes, this is also true. As first one is 0, it means value of x is 0, then the points will lie on the y-axis. Yes, this will lie on the y-axis. And now the point 2 minus 3 lie on the graph of the equation. Here we have to check 1 and 2 is correct, and we have to check this 3 now. This is 3, not 2, this one. This is 3. Third one, third statement, the point 2 minus 3 lies on the graph of the equation. Here 2 minus 3. Now we have to check this point. If the point satisfy the equation, then it will lie on the graph. Okay, now check, put the value. Left hand side is 3x minus 2y. So 2 into minus 3. Now find the values. 6, this will be plus 6, means 12. So right side is not 12, that is 6. So we can say this one is not correct. So we can say our option A, 1 and 2 is correct. Now 36, in which quadrant the point 2a minus 5 will be where a is greater than 0. It means that we have to say the points 2a minus 5 is situated where? Here is a condition given, a is greater than 0. It means a is positive. If a is positive, 2a must be positive. 2a must be positive. Suppose value of a is 1, that is, this will be 2. This is greater than 0. It means that always 2a greater than 0. As 2a is positive, so first one is positive. So we have to find a quadrant where x is positive and y is negative. X is positive and y is negative. This is fourth quadrant. X is positive, y is negative. So our answer should be fourth quadrant. So we can see here first, second, third, fourth. So fourth quadrant will be our required answer for question 36. Now I have to answer question 37 and 38 depending on the given information, and the given information is area of a rectangular garden is 576 square meters and its length is 36 meters. First question 37, what is the perimeter of the garden in meter? Dear students, to find the perimeter we need to find the length. To find the length we have to divide the area by the, we have to find the breadth as length is given. To find the perimeter we need length and breadth. Here is length given, so if we divide the area by the length we will get the breadth. So breadth of the rectangular garden should be 576 divided by 36, this should be 16, this should be 16. So breadth is 16 and length is 36. Dear students, you know the formula of determining perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Here length is 36, breadth is 16. So 2 into length plus breadth should be 36 plus 16. Now this is 2 into 52 means 104. So we can say our required answer for question 37 is B, that is 104. Okay, dear students, now see question 38. What is the diagonal of the garden in meter? We have to find the diagonal. Dear students, how can we find the diagonal where length and breadth is given? Now see, suppose this is the rectangular garden. Suppose this is the rectangular garden whose length is 36, breadth is 16. So if we draw a diagonal, this should be the diagonal. We can consider this is 36, this is 16. This is a right angle triangle and this is hypotenuse. Dear students, you know that according to the formula of or the theorem of Pythagoras, you can say the square root of this square, 36 square and 16 square will be the diagonal, Now if you take the square root, you will get 39.395. In this way you will get an irrational number. Now see the option here. What are the options given here? Here options are 7.21, approximate value no, 10.2 no, 24.3 no, 39.4. Here this is near to this number 39.395. Here in the option only one digit is skipped after the decimal. To keep one digit we need to observe the second digit. Here second digit is 9. If the next digit is 5 or more than 5, then we have to add 1 with the previous digit to keep the digits after the decimal fixed. If we want to keep the second digit, then we have to see the third digit. If we want to keep one digit, then we have to see the second digit. So if we see, now here is 9, so this is more than 5 or greater than 5, so we have to add 1. So approximate value will be 39.4. So our required answer for this question is D. Option D is correct. Now this is question 38. Now question 39. What is the solution of the equation 2x plus y equal to 7 and x plus 2y equal to 8? Dear students, you can solve this problem. You can solve these two equations to get the answer. This is a way. You can find the solution in another way also. If you put the value of x and y and check the equation is correct, then you will get the solution. You can check or you can solve, but I will solve. Dear students, now see, from equation 2 we get, from equation 2 or 1, from equation 1 we get y equal to 7 minus 2x, and put this value of y in equation 2, you will get x plus 2 into 7 minus 7 minus 2x. Now you will get, what is the value here? The value is 8, or we can solve x plus 7 to 14 minus 4x, that will be 8, or we can solve now minus 3x equal to 8 minus 14. So we will get minus 3x equal to minus 6, therefore x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 2. Now x equal to 2 in which option? Option D. Now if we put 2 here, what? We will get the value of y. If we put 2, x equal to 2, 2 2's are 4. Now subtract 7 minus 2 2's are 4, 7 minus 4, that will be 3. So value of y is 3. It means 2, 3 will be the solution. Now you can check here, 2 2's are 4 and 3, 7. Here 2 and 6 will be 8. So we can say our answer is D for question 39. Dear students, now see, here is option A in question 40, option B, this should be option C, and this is option D. Okay, now see, what is the question here? What is the distance of the point 3, 4 from the y-axis? What is the distance of the point? What is the distance of the point 3, 4 from y-axis? So we have to put the point here. Suppose we are putting the point in a graph, we have to find the distance from y-axis. Here the point is 3, 4. This is O, means 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and along y-axis we have to move 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our point, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, this is our point. This point is given here, 3, 4. Now see, from y-axis, what is the distance of this point? From y-axis, the distance is 1, 2, 3. So we can say from y-axis, the distance will be, from y-axis, the distance of the point will be 3, will be 3. So when the question will be from y-axis, you have to take the abscissa, and if the question is x-axis, you have to take the ordinate. So our required answer for question 40 is B. Okay, dear students, I hope I have explained all the questions. You have understood our today's lecture. Do this as your homework. This is your homework 50. Submit your homework on next Sunday. Dear students, you know homework is very, very important for your annual examination, as your CT marks, diary marks, and SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. So keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.